Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 383, well-known claim types. Having trouble getting your claims mapping to work for items like first and last name? Have you tried inspecting the token like I described in the last tip, and you see that the claims like family_name or given_name are there, but the mapping still isn't working? You might be running into well-known claim types. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Certain claims, like first and last name, are commonly used and have a standard URI that identifies them, instead of the actual text you see in the token. For example, instead of given name, try http://schemas.xmlsoap.org/ws/2005/identity/claims/given name. Or change that last part to surname, instead of using just family_name. For a full list of well-known claim types, check the link in the description. It can sometimes take a bit of trial and error to find the right one. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 383 on well-known claim types useful.